Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty. Today I'm in a brand new home we're just finishing up. This one is 3 bedrooms and an office. The office could be converted to kind of more of a bedroom if you wanted. It's all on one level, 2,116 square feet. It's got 2.5 bathrooms, the 3-car attached garage with the attached RV garage. The RV garage is approximately 53 feet deep and has a 14 by 14 door. And then the 3-car garage, the 2-car opening is 18 feet wide by 8 feet tall. And then the third bay is 10 feet wide by 8 feet tall. And still finishing up a couple things. The accents here on the concrete in between the garage doors still haven't been sealed. They haven't placed the rain gutters on quite yet. But we'll go and take a look. And this one, in addition to the 3-car plus the RV, also has room on the corner side here to do additional RV parking. And there's a 50 amp plug over there as well, with the water spigot as well. So we'll head on in, check it out. All right, and before we go in, they have the xeriscape landscaping here. It has quite a bit of stone. It has the big steps going up to the front door. And the front door is an iron door. It's 8 feet tall. The lighting's kind of not the greatest right now at this time of day. All right, and then coming in the entryway, you have the wood plank tile floors and the tall entryway here. It has these beams. There's 4 beams running the length of the entryway here, and then this is a coat closet. The doors are 8 feet tall, and off to your left here is kind of the office room that could potentially be converted to a bedroom if you put a door here. Extra tall ceilings in here as well to match the entryway, some big windows. The reason for the big window over here is the lighting's kind of awful, but all the homes over there are already built, so you have a view up above them when you're hanging out in this room. And then it's wired with the Smurf tube for the TV there if you want to throw a TV up on that wall. If this is the office, the closet's there. And then back into the entryway, into the great room, kitchen area. So coming into the great room and kitchen area, you have the fireplace here with the stone all the way up to the ceiling. Up in the ceiling, it coffers up, and you have a stain grade tongue and groove with the ceiling fan, and then the crown molding around the perimeters. The TV is wired here up above, so then you can or with the Smurf tube, sorry, rather, and you can run your Fisher lines down through and not have those exposed. The windows are encased. Another kind of better look at that tongue and groove. And then over into here is your kitchen area. And the cabinets go from floor to ceiling. You have the quartz countertop, kind of a dark stain with a little bit of a grayish tone to it as well. There is the under cabinet lighting. And then you have your wall oven, wall microwave, drop-in cooktop, and there's a nice backsplash, and there's a vented range hood that sucks the air out to the outside. And then you have your composite sink here. It's a black composite sink. Here's another angle of the great room. And then your dining nook as well. And then into the pantry here. Kind of a little working pantry area to put coffee makers, mixers, blenders, and things like that. It's got the pull-out garbage cans there. Then coming off of the kitchen, you have your Nest thermostat, and then into the master bedroom. You got the encased windows, ceiling fan. It's got the 3-tone paint, and once again, it does have the 8 feet tall doors. This one has the barn door going into the master bathroom. And then when you come into the master bathroom, you have your jetted tub here, the tile decking. There's the Schluter for the exposed edge. And once again, it's the quartz countertops here and the wood plank tile. And then here's this other vanity here. And then you have a pocket door into the toilet room, and then the little cabinet there above. And then across the way here, you have your walk-in tiled shower. And the tile runs vertical. It's a porcelain, runs all the way to the ceiling. And then you have your little shampoo niche, a little bench right there. And this shower to get in is a zero, it's just kind of more handicap friendly. There's no transition, and you would normally install type of a Euro door on there. And then into the closet here, it's got two different sides, and oftentimes they'll put a mirror on this wall in between. With this lineup, when you stand back here, a lot of times they'll throw another mirror right there. And then coming back into the great room, heading over to the other side of the home, it's a split floor plan, so the other bedrooms are on this side. Over here you have a bedroom, the ceiling fan and 8 feet tall doors, and that's the closets there. And then into the laundry room, and this one has a pocket door as well, just to kind of prevent lots of doors swinging. And there's a sink and a window, and it has the quartz countertops again. And then the recessed dryer vent. And then down this hall, you have the spare bathroom, the full bathroom over here. Same cabinets with the quartz countertops. Once again, another little linen cabinet above the toilet area window. And then a tub with the tile surround. This time they ran it vertical with the niche there. And that goes all the way to the ceiling. And then behind the door here, you do have another linen closet as well. And then off of this bathroom is the fourth bedroom on the back corner of the home. And now we'll head over to the garage. All right, and then coming over here towards the garage, you have a little mud bench right here. And then across from there, you have the kind of the guest bathroom area, half bath, powder bath, and once again with the quartz countertops, and then the little linen cabinet above. All right, and then coming out into the garage, you have the LiftMaster garage door openers. And this door here is 16 feet wide by 8 feet tall. That one's 10 feet wide by 8 feet tall, and that one's 14 wide by 14 tall. And they went with the saw cut garage floors. Over here you have your water heater. It's plumbed for the water softener and a recirculation pump. And this depth on this garage is just shy of 22 in the two car and the 3 car. And then the big RV garage here is approximately 53 feet deep. And they haven't put the weather stripping on the doors yet in here. It was in the entryway if you noticed in the video at the very beginning. Let there be light. And then you have a 50 amp there and a 30 amp there. You have your hose bib, and then you also have your sewer clean out. And then you have what they call the man door there at the front. And then also the man door here at the back into the backyard. And there's that baby right there, about 53 feet deep, 14 by 14 door. And then that's the access for the jetted tub in the master. They haven't put the cap on it yet, but lots of outlets as well. And then last but not least here is the back patio, the covered patio. This one, the way it faces, you do have the evening shade. They're still cleaning some things up here. Yeah, all in all, 2116 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, or 3-bed with an office, den. All on one level, 3-car garage plus the RV garage. If you have any questions, give me a call, 435-313-1525, or you can find me online at mystghome.com. Once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for watching.